start out with some unsalted butter. We're going to melt that down. And you want to make sure that you use the unsalted butter because it will not give you as much foam, and you'll be able to see the brown bits that begin to develop at the bottom of the skillet. Those brown bits are what's going to help determine whether your butter is ready or not. You want to make sure it's browned and not burned. And that's going to be based on the color of your butter, and those brown bits will help determine the color. And I have it on medium-high heat. All right, guys, the brown bits have started or have developed at the bottom. The brown bits have developed at the bottom, so now it's time to go on and add our sugar. And I'm using the golden monk fruit sweetener. I'm also going to add to this water. This, we're going to stir in heavy whipping cream. Just a little. And from here, we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
And that's it. We have a delicious keto brown butter syrup. This will go fabulous over your favorite chaffle or low-carb bread.
Vlogtober day number 5. Angelina and I are currently on our way to Bath and Body Works because they have candles today for $9. Those 3-wick candles that are usually $25.99, well, today they are $9.99. So I'm going to go and I'm going to get me a nice amount of candles. Angelina will be joining me. She's out of school and she's so elated.
Yes.
All right, guys, come along with us. All right, I'm here. I told y'all this is my favorite place. This is gonna be dinner tonight. You be quiet. All right, we're at home and we've got our wings stopped. So I ordered a 40-pack. We got our original hot. I've got my Louisiana rub, and I've also ordered lemon pepper. So this is for the entire family. They have their French fries over here, which I'm not gonna eat. I'm not gonna lie. They smell fabulous. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. But I'm gonna resist the temptation. Got our veggie sticks. I ain't gonna lie, I never eat those. Never even look at them good. My husband eats them and my daughter eats the, she likes the celery. So what I got me to go with my wings, I got me a nice salad. See? Huh? All right, so this is gonna be my dinner. I'm gonna get me my favorite, my Louisiana rub, and I'm gonna have at it. And that's dinner tonight, guys. We're watching Mariah Carey's Christmas special. So she's just standing there singing majority of the time.
Only watch for Ariana Grande.
All right, everybody. So I forgot to vlog while I was in Bath & Body Works. But first of all, let me tell you, went into Bath & Body Works, and I told you guys that the candles were $9.99 today. Okay, they're 3-wick candles that are usually 25 bucks. Were $9.99 today. My daughter and I got there, the line was out the door and around the corner. I started to turn around, but I'm so glad I didn't. I went on and stuck it out. I stayed in line. I was only in line maybe about 15 minutes, so it really wasn't that bad. So I was in line. It threw me off. I forgot to vlog. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up while I was at Bath & Body Works. So, of course, I got my candles. This big old bag. Oh, Lord. Here it is. I didn't get to pick this big bag. Okay, of candles. Let me show you which ones I got. Now, you guys already know I got my favorite, right? Oh, that's not it. I got my favorites, the Marshmallow Fireside. So, of these, I think I got 4 of them. Yeah. I got 4 Marshmallow Firesides, and I started to just get all Marshmallow Firesides, and I decided I'm going to go ahead and just pick up a couple other fragrances, because they have other fragrances that don't taste good. Lord Jesus. Please don't taste the candles. They have a few other fragrances that smell good, so let me try those out. So Angelina helped me pick these 2 out right here. The first one I got is Vanilla Sage. Have any of you guys ever had the Vanilla Sage? Smell this. It smells magnificent. Y'all, this is really nice. This is a very, very nice scent. I cannot wait to burn this. I know it's going to smell fantabulous. I may wait to burn this one on Christmas morning. I'm not sure yet, but that is a lovely scent. Vanilla Sage. I got one more. This one right here. Actually, Angelina picked this one out. This one is called Spiced Apple Toddy. Okay. It smells like the holiday season. It really does. It smells like cinnamon and apples. I don't know where the toddy part came in it, but it just smells like cinnamon and apples, but it's very, very strong. So these are the 2 new fragrances I got, Vanilla Sage and Spiced Apple Toddy. I cannot wait to burn these. So I think this sale, guys, you're going to be seeing this on Saturday, December the 6th. So the sale is going on all the way through Sunday. So I did get an email saying they were sold out online, but if you have a Bath & Body Works near you and you love the smell of fragrances in your home, then go and get some of these $9.99 candles, because this, I'm telling you, these right here are usually $25. This is $24.50. Come on now. That's less than half, okay? So, got that. Got my candles from Bath & Body Works. All right, I need a water break, or I need an ice break. Have you picked this up yet? Have you picked? I've told y'all in 2, 3, 4 videos. Pick up coconut pineapple. Pick it up. Okay. All right. So next up, I also got me a holder. Isn't this pretty? This is a little holiday holder for the our liquid soap in our downstairs bathroom. So I I decorated the downstairs bathroom, and I wanted to get a holder for it. And yeah, they have these little holiday ones with the snowflakes on there, the snowflake design. And it's nice, got a little bling to it. I thought that was gorgeous. So anyway, got that. I also picked up some more soaps. So I got these two of these. This right here is the very same. I'm going to use these in my kitchen. But this one right here is called 'Tis the Season. I love the fragrance. Usually for my kitchen, I usually get one of those lemon ones. I'm tired of that lemon smell in my kitchen. Why do they feel like lemon? You got to have lemon for the kitchen. why. I don't know why, but anyway, I got 'Tis the Season. Okay, these two are for the kitchen area. And I know y'all probably say enough of the Marshmallow Fireside. The other 4 that I got are Marshmallow Fireside. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Marshmallow Firesides. Y'all, I love the fragrance. If you have not smelled it, if you go to pick up some candles this weekend, pick up one of the Marshmallow Firesides. Just give it a whiff. It smells so good. It just smells like fall. And I love fall. I love the smell of fall. I love the feel of fall. I love the colors of fall. And Marshmallow Fireside just takes me there every time. All right, and the last thing I picked up is this Delilah. I think that's what it is. This is one of their new fragrances. And I had a coupon the last time I was there for a free item. And so I picked up the perfume bottle of this. And it is so, I got so many compliments on it. And so while I was there today, I went on and picked up the body mist right here. This is a new fragrance. It smells so good, guys. I got a lot of compliments on this. Yes, like, what are you wearing? What do you want? I couldn't remember the name. I'm like, the new fragrance at Bath & Body Works, because I do not know the name of it. It's in a gold bottle, okay? Gold bottle with flowers. So, I think it's Delilah. Delia. Let me show you guys. Delia. I guess I could have asked one of the workers. They probably know. I didn't even think to ask. I just wanted to make sure I got it. So anyway, I got one of the little bitty body mists right here. I would have gotten a larger one, but I left my coupons at home. So I'm gonna have to go back later this week so that I can get the whole set. And I want to use my coupon, because when I use my coupon, I get a free larger item. So anyway, but I didn't want to leave with nothing, so I got this. All right, guys, that is my haul, and that is also the end of today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for traveling with me today. Didn't do too much, but I hope you guys enjoy the brown butter syrup. Give it a try. I think it's so yummy. And yeah, thank you guys for joining me, and I will talk to you in the next vlog. Have a blessed and a prosperous day. Talk to you next time right here on Sincerely Lakinia. Bye.